exciting security camera service in Queens. Abstract Enterprises Security Systems just completed another professional service call in our local Queens area. Our expert technicians swiftly diagnosed and repaired the client's security system, ensuring top-notch protection for their property. Service call highlights: precise system diagnostics, quick and efficient repair, restored full security functionality, comprehensive system check. Our team's meticulous approach guarantees that every security camera operates at peak performance. Queens area customers can trust Abstract Enterprises to keep their properties safe and secure. Serving Queens and beyond, Abstract Enterprises, your total security solution.